Hi my friends, welcome back to another unboxing. Today we're checking out this solar watering can. Oh, I love it. Love it already. It's going to look really nice in our garden. Alright, so you have your solar panel on top here. Make sure you peel this plastic away or it will bake into the panel when the sun hits it. You have an on-off switch, looks like right here as well. So it looks like once it's covered, the lights come on. Yes, very nice. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and looks pretty simple to set up. Very easy. I don't think anyone's gonna have a problem setting this up. If you do happen to have a problem, it's very simple. These thread in. You got two pieces, they thread in, and then the stake threads at the bottom, and then you hang it right from the hook. So you got two hanging options. You can place this back piece right in the loop, and then when it's up, it's out at an angle, or you can just hang it right directly from the hook. That's up to you.